Good morning, teacher. My name is Evaristo González Ramos. In the day of today, I am going to show you the activity for what are they doing. The first sentence, they are at the beach. They are walking in the sea, or better say, they are walking at the beach. They are eating. They are eating pizza. The four sentences, for picture, they are playing volleyball, and they are and the other people are having fun and surf in the sea, and the other they are taking the sun. In the fifth picture, they are building a castle. In the sixth picture, they are drinking beer. In the seventh picture, they are swimming in the beach. And in the eighth picture, they are dancing. And in the last picture, they are sitting. And they are sitting at the sun, the beach. Thank you for watching.